Is this electric car fast, quiet, and affordable? Is this AI tool powerful, easy, and safe? Is your smartphone quick, compact, and reliable? Are the candidates honest, experienced, and confident? Is the vaccine safe, effective, and important? Are the exam questions tricky, long, and confusing? Are the new electric bikes silent, stylish, and efficient? Is the climate hotter, drier, and harsher this year? Is your laptop fast, light, and easy to carry? Is the conference big, important, and well organized? Are these eco-friendly bags strong, cheap, and reusable? Is the weather hot, dry, and unusual this month? Is this health app simple, useful, and free? Is this movie interesting, emotional, and realistic? Is the online payment system fast, smooth, and secure? Is this job remote, flexible, and well paid? Is the YouTube video short, informative, and funny? Are the actors popular, talented, and hardworking? Are online classes flexible, helpful, and comfortable? Is the new phone smart, sleek, and expensive?